Here we are at the JV Bird Bowl, East vs. West. Go Chicks, let's go. I'm here with Gabe Vera, the offensive tackle, and I'm going to ask him a couple questions. How do you think you played tonight?
Well, personally, I feel like I did my part, but as a team, we need to get more physical, do a lot better on the offense.
And what are you going to do to prepare for next week?
We need to practice harder, be more physical, and just gel together.
All right. Thanks, Gabe. Here we have Ashton Dembeston, linebacker. And how do you think you played today?
I think personally I played pretty well. There's not much you can do against the wing T, which is what the Ducks run. You either score on them defensively. We kind of sucked. They got 46-0 on us. Hopefully against the Crusaders next week we can come back and take a dub.
And what do you think you're going to do next week to improve?
I'm going to try and hit a lot harder, get into a lot more collisions, and get into the pile as deep as I can because that's the only way to stop the wing T.
All right, thank you, Ashton.
Thank you, Connor.